Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful.
Hi my loves, we're just going to get right into this video from my new curly baby from WigEncounters. And also I have another one right here and I'm going to be giving this one away. Thank you WigEncounters for sponsoring this video. Now this unit is a curly baby. So let me just get it out the box and show it to you. She is 16 inches long, 150% density, a glueless lace front cap, and there is baby hair all the way around the perimeter, and it has a pre-plucked hairline, Swiss lace, and here's the card that's giving you all the information that I'm giving you right now, and it has medium brown lace and bleached knots along the front. Now this one is really cute. Curly hair is great for the summer, and I kind of like curly hair year round, but I'm not against wearing it all summer. So let me show you the inside of the cap. Now it does have a comb on each side, as well as a comb in the back and the adjustable strap. Now this part here, the tracks are sewn onto the cap. And then here's the top. Yeah, she's really a cute unit. And again, it does have Swiss lace, and it's soft, but it's durable as well. Now let me flip it right side out so you can see it. She really is curly and very pretty. So now what I'm going to do is take off my turban, and I am going to put the wig on. Underneath here I am wearing my regular wig cap. So now let's just get into it. Now here I am putting her on. And I didn't cut the lace off yet because I wanted you to see what the hairline looks like before I even cut the lace off. And it really does have a really pretty hairline. Nothing too complicated. It's not square or round. It is very well tweezed. Could I tweeze a few more hairs out of it? Absolutely. But I'm going to leave this baby just the way it is. So I just wanted to pull it back so you could get to see the hairline. I've seen some amazing wigs from WigEncounters. They really do have beautiful wigs, and I've seen them all over the net. I've seen them on the gram. I've seen them on Facebook, and they really do look really pretty. So let me just show you quickly how I cut the lace off. I cut my lace off in sections because I have had issues with cutting the lace off straight across and making a mess of the hairline. So I'm just kind of wiggling my scissors a little bit back and forth just to get that lace off. And it is a medium brown lace, but in my opinion it's a little lighter than some of the medium brown that I've seen. Yeah, so I'm just getting all of that off. You can cut it even closer to the hairline if you want, but by me doing this, looking into the mirror, sometimes I can't get as close as I want, but I'm going to work this out anyway. So now I'm just pulling down a little bit on the side so I can add some sideburns. Sideburns work wonders to make your wig look a little more natural. So I'm just pulling out a little on one side, and now I'll pull out a little on this side. I pulled out a little bit more than I wanted on this side, but coming up I did pull a little bit more behind my ears. So I'm going to use my gel from Glam Force. This is the Glam Force from Got To Be, and it's a sculpting gel. This has a really strong hold. I've used it with other wigs before, and it really did help that lace stay laying down for like at least 2 days. And I perspire a lot, so for anything to hold for more than a few hours, other than something that would hold for like a week, this one works really well. I really like using the Glam Force. And I'm just putting that on my hairline, and I'm going to just press the wig down onto it, and it really does stick very well. And that's my little spatula that I was using for a while. You know, when you have makeup in the bottom of your jar and you just need a little tiny spatula to get it out. That's what I've been using that for, but I figured since I have it, why not use it for this? And I'm just using the tail end of my comb just to pull down a little bit of baby hair. I'm not going hard with the sculpted baby hair. I'm just going to let it do what it do. And here I'm just adding a little bit of the Glam Force hairspray. The gel along with the hairspray will give you a really good hold. And I'm just really manipulating those baby hairs with my hand, with my fingers. I didn't really use a brush at this point. I just kind of pressed it down with my fingers. And now I'm just pressing the hair into, the edge of the wig into the spray and the gel. Tied it down for a quick second. And I'm just going to show you, I quickly cut my little sideburns. And then I kind of gelled them down as well. And here's where I use my little edge brush. And this is the Edgifier. I'll put a link to it down in the information area so you have it in case you want to pick one up. And now I'm gelling down that side. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of water and some Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. You guys know that's one of my go-tos for my curly hair. This is just a little mister that I picked up. I found this at Harmon, but they also have them at Sally Beauty Supply. And now I'm just going to use a small amount of my Pillow Soft Curls and run that through the hair. That way it'll make those curls pop even more. This was super simple, but stay tuned. I'm going to get into the info about the giveaway. Okay, so now while we wait for this to kind of set up right here, you can see how pretty the curls are. They really are really pretty. What we're going to do is get into the wig that I'm giving away, which is right here. And I'm going to see if I can find a picture because it is brand new in the box. No lace cut off, still in the package. This baby is right here. And in the package you'll also get a little net cap that you can wear underneath your wig. And let me just describe to you what the wig is. It is a 10-inch, 180% density, glueless 360 lace front wig. And the cap is glueless, and it's Indian Remy hair, and the color is natural black. And this giveaway is super simple. I'm going to pick a person that leaves a comment. It's going to be random. All you have to do is leave a comment. Doesn't really matter what type of comment, but only one comment per person, and that's how you enter. Let's see if the sculpting gel is dry, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is really an easy to wear unit, so let's just see. I hope I've left this on long enough. I probably should have blow dried it, but of course I did not. So let me show you what it looks like. And this does have, as I stated within the video, a very natural looking hairline. I didn't tweeze it. I didn't do anything additional to it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm perspiring, so I'll have to kind of put a little powder on, but it is a really easy to wear unit. And here's the parting. But what I am going to do is add a little bit of wig makeup onto that part, which it's right here, and I'll put a link to it down in the information area. This is my color, so I'm going to find a brush and just kind of put a little bit right in that part right there, just to make sure you can see it pretty well. And this is just a little bit of powder. So I'm going to start from right here, which is where my hairline meets the unit, and already you can see right there. I'm going to just not even give it a structured part. It's just going to be a little bit of a zigzag. I don't want it to be, I want the hair to look a little bit more messy than a perfect part. I'm just going to go back a little bit further, brush it into the hair. and right up to my hairline, so that way you can see what it looks like. I'm just going to press it in with my finger. But yeah, this one is pretty good. I'm sweating like crazy. But yeah, this one, really, I like the hairline. I could probably touch it up just a little bit with a little bit more sculpting gel, but this is what it looks like. And this is my cute curly unit. I'll put all the specs, if I haven't added them already, right in the information area so you have it. Yeah, so this is it. Pretty simple, pretty easy to wear. I'll take some still pics so you'll be able to see those. I like the way they did this hairline. I like a more natural looking, kind of a messy hairline. Not so structured, not baby hairs, just perfectly sculpted. I kind of like something a little bit less structured. I guess that's the word. So definitely check out WigEncounters when you have an opportunity. I'll put all additional information and specs right down in the information area. Yeah, I'm really liking this hairline. It's not giving me any issues, which sometimes is a problem for me. So definitely get in on the giveaway from WigEncounters. Trying to think if I left anything out. Definitely, I'll put a link to the giveaway wig right down in the information area as well, so you can see it if I didn't already put in a picture. So that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for some still pics, and I will reach out to you directly here on YouTube. As you know, whoever the winner is, I'll reach out to you directly, so make sure you leave that comment. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a beautiful day today. Bye.